This is Alard item Y4398. It is a 200-gallon GROEN steam jacketed stainless steel kettle. Has a 2-zone bottom jacket, 100 psi with an INA scrape surface agitator. And it also, as you can see down, well, let me move around a little bit here. I think you can see it. Has a sanitary bottom outlet valve, which when closed is flush with the bottom of the kettle. Has 3 stainless steel legs. I mentioned the valve, which is pneumatically operated. And again, it is 100 psi. So we've turned the agitator on in this kettle. You can hear that it runs smoothly. And as I had mentioned, it's an INA agitator, an inclined agitator, so that it folds the product while it mixes. Has brand new scrapers. It is anchored at the bottom and runs very nicely, as you can see. We have hydrostatically pressure tested the jacket, and everything is excellent. So there it is, Alard item Y4398. Now, if you have any questions about this item or any other item of food processing and packaging equipment, give us a call at 315-589-4511. In the meantime, we have this beautiful 200-gallon steam jacketed kettle with inclined scraper agitator in stock and available for immediate shipment. I forgot to mention 2-zone jacket in stock and available for immediate shipment at Alard Equipment Company.